Visayas at sa Mindanao, saan mang sulok ng mundo, makakasama nyo, magbibigay saya sa bawat isa at maghahatid ng kakaibang ligaya.
Everybody, I'd just like to thank everybody for coming, and especially Willie for coming. It means the world to us. We're a big fan. We're friends, and I appreciate everything. And by the way, he's not feeling well, and he still kept his word that he was coming, not to disappoint anybody. So thanks again, Willie. We appreciate it.
He's my good friend. He's my good friend. I trust this guy. That's why I came here. Kaya ako nandito ako because of this guy. He's been helping also a lot of people.
Yeah, maraming salamat.
A good friend.
Okay, pare. Thanks, pare.
Sa loob at labas ng ating bansa, saan ka man nagmumula, may pera o wala, kasama po kayo at pwedeng manalo. Ganyan kung magmahal ang kapamilya mo. Wawawi! Wawawi! Sinong di mawiwili? Dahil sa game na to ay di ka magsisisi. Wawawi! Panalo ang marami pagkat walang talo sa Wawawi. Wawawi! Sinong di mawiwili? Dahil sa game na to sigurado ang swerte. Wawawi!
I want to invite Gil to be part of Wawawi. I want to invite you.
Thank you.
In Manila.
Is that right?
Watch. Yes, of course. I'm inviting him now so that he can go to Wawawi. I'm sorry about my throat.
Yeah, and then point to the east, point to the west.
Oh, I have to practice that one.
Thank you, Gil. Thank you. There's one old lady. She's been helping Wawawi. She's a doctor. She owns a hospital. She's very nice. I'm gonna give this to her.
Oh, I said that thing.
She's celebrating her birthday, I think, by September.
Is that the one?
That's
We saw that. Yeah.
Her name is Mrs.
That'll be
Atienza.
nice.
Yeah.
She's
Beautiful.
giving a lot of money from you, from NYD. I'm gonna give it to her. It's coming September, I think, 28, 29.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. That'll be nice. Thank you, Willie.
She will be very happy.
Ating buhay, ikalawang kamay na parang kumakaway, ikembot ang bewang ng mapawi ang lumbay, kasama ang lahat.
That's it. Wawawi on the back. That's it, yeah. Thank you, Willie. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Mike, let's say some Tagalog, right?
Nakakatawa sila.
Tuloy-tuloy na ang saya. Bum tarat tarat, bum tarat tarat, tararat tararat, bum bum bum, bum tarat tarat, bum tarat tarat, tararat tararat, bum bum bum. Iikot mo mabuti ang inyong bewang, kumembot-kembot na parang gumigewang. Lambutan nyo pa ang galaw ng balakang na para bang lumulutang. Isama mo na rin ang inyong ulo, paikutin nyo wag lang mahihilo. May ngipin o wala, matanda at kalbo, halina ang lahat makigulo.
It's one carrot.
Tuloy-tuloy na ang saya.
And the winner is Roel Laino. Roel Laino, are you here? There he is, Roel.
NYD, you're the best. I trust NYD because it's genuine. All right? Thank you. NYD, thank you so much.